Good day everyone. Learn how to clear browsing data of Google Chrome in laptop and PC. So your Google Chrome is not running well and it's showing glitches, then you can clear the cache, the browsing data, and it will definitely load faster, the Google Chrome. So to do that, to clear the browsing data, we need to click on these three dots, and then we need to go to this settings. And once you're here, it's a very easy and straightforward process. We need to go to this privacy and security, and we will select delete browsing data, and it will show you what exactly it's going to delete: history, cookies, cache, and more. And you can select the duration. You can select all time or last 24 hours. It is up to you. And once you are done, you can see that browsing history, show more, you can check and check, and it says search history and passwords can be deleted in their management settings. So you can check it, and once you're done with the browsing, cookies, cache, download history, then you just need to click on delete data, and this is going to clean up the browsing data in Google Chrome. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.